Okay. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Do this. Do this. Yeah, this is the level of crazy you get when you are trapped at home and you can do nothing about it. Literally nothing. So here we are. It's gonna be a fun day. Let's do this thing. Okay, first things first. Yeah, I had a little loss there. It's fine. It is what it is. I know what I did wrong. It was $12. I feel like enough said with that. So now let's mark out the high and the low. What's up? Oh, Pizza, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? Ooh, we have quite a bit of sell-side liquidity that has now been forming and just brewing, if you will. The London low. I'm just gonna mark out this level as well. It did take out the previous day high. Ooh, there we go. So it did take out the previous day high already. It is right there by the London low as well. So I see that the Maya effect did not take place. Thank heavens. Anyways, I'm good. I'm good. I can't complain. I'm just carrying on. I think that that's where we are at right now with this day. I just gotta oh damn, it's sitting on the midnight. Normally the midnight magnet would give me a tiny bit of an idea of where potentially New York could be headed. It's sitting on it. So I'm going to say, sure, I actually really don't know. It's been ranging. It's been ranging. Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis, quick sticks. Vito, what do you think? What do you think this is gonna end up doing? Okay, let's do a top to bottom. Just close everything so we don't have any added noise, right? Check out our daily again. Yeah, apart from tapping into the high but not closing above the high, let's see. I didn't hear you word that. No, I wanted to hear what you thought. What do you think this is going to end up doing? Do you think we're going up, down, sideways? I don't even know. We are right at all-time highs. We can't assume all-time highs aren't going to continue, right? But it's a bit of a weird one. To tap up there. Ooh, do we think we might start to see a reversal again? This is what we have been saying for a week though. So no guarantee at all. Vito, you're looking for that London low. What about Asia low? Asia low hasn't been taken yet either. Do you think it might just take out all the sell side liquidity and then start popping back up? That's definitely a good idea. What's up, Beza? How you doing? How's it going? So let's check the 4 hour now. It's been going up so slowly. Do you think we've lost that little bit of volume? It does. Okay, let's see. I mean, at the end of the day, trend is friend until it's not. Trend is friend until it's not. That's what I have to literally just keep reminding myself. Which part looks interesting? All of it? Because you're not wrong. You're not wrong. See, 9 AM. Captain Doji was created. If this thing's gonna go down, it's gonna start happening during New York. That's just what I suspect. Yeah, London lows here. Then we got Asia low here. Wonder if it just wants to retap. I don't want to make assumptions and I don't want to be like married to my bias, so let's stick with, let's see what it does after it takes out Asia and London low. If it takes out Asia and London low, and then I guess we'll just end up going from there. Who knows, maybe it continues just sinking to the center of the earth, or we go back up to the moon. What's up, Louie? How we doing? And oh, Sandy. Sandy Andy, how you doing? That hurt my brain cells a little bit. Sorry. Did you see how it... Sorry, it refreshed like here, so I was like, ah, there's the chart. No, it was a little bit more zoomed in here. I was like, cool, here's the chart. Wait. What? That took my brain a solid minute to realize what had happened there. Anyways, moving on. Let's pretend I did that like a smarty pants. And the 5-minute sellers look like they are taking control. Taking control. Hey, Calvin. Ew. There we go. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? What do you trade? Richard, hi. I have to remind myself that there's 500s all-time highs and to be aware of the fast reversals to the downside. The market's definitely doing some screwy stuff. I know, I'm low-key a little bit nervous. I mean, it's been ranging. So, you know, I'm glad the Maya effect didn't come into play today. I would have been bummed. I would have been super bummed if it had. But anyways. Yeah, let's just see what this does now. I think we're gonna just have to wait for confirmations. Hopefully it's not a hands-off day today. I mean, how long did it take me yesterday to get a setup? What, an hour and a half? Was it an hour and a half? Are we going shorts today finally? I don't want to say anything, but maybe. No. Looks like the new 930 cluster overlap yesterday's. How are you trading Bitcoin? How's Bitcoin treating you? Everything is reacting to... Yes, you are correct. Wild? What's up? Short wall equals short. Oh, okay. Okay, so long oil, that makes sense though. Oil's been going like a little bit of a mad lad recently, so that's okay. Let's see what we get. I caught one good move during London. It was top fishing and caught the move down to VWeb. Oh, nice, Shaggy. So do you know what you get for that? You know what you get for that. You know what you get for that. You get some whoop whoops. Just like that. I'm free to core retail sales. Fast Fed's taking. They're red noir, man. What are these markets? Wait. Fed's talking in 30 minutes? Thanks. Shaggy, well done. Okay, we have 6 minutes to go. What are you on? 6 minutes to go until New York Open. Let's see what we get. Yeah, no logic in these markets. It's just, like you said, it's just reacting. It's just reacting. So, you know, I think at the end of the day, if you trading your A+ setups, even if they don't work out, but you're sticking with your discipline for when the markets go back to normal, That's not a bad thing. I think that's then a win. Yeah, I need to get comfy. And for you, I think. Oh, EST time. Okay. Yeah. Sandy, you know I'm not EST time, right? I'm actually South Africa. For me, currently it is nearly 3:30 in the afternoon. But yes, EST time, that would be at, yeah, 10 then, if it's in like 30 minutes. OTT? What's that? Oh, what's that? How are we doing? You know what I haven't done, which is like disgusting of me.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
You said you're staying till 3 EST. What? Didn't say that, Atlanta. Good grief. Well, afternoon. Yeah, 100% afternoon time here. What's up, Nuts? How you doing? How about these season bots? Back tested. Well, yeah, it's getting crazy scary yet. I'll spread the word. No, I said right now it is 3 p.m. SA time. What's that, GMT? Call me Sandy Andy, thank you very much. My bad. Did I not call you Sandy Andy? That is disgusting of me. 3 then 9 here. You already know what happens today. Should be super easy trading.
Nice.
I did not. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, Shaki. I did not listen to the song. It's been a bit of a crazy day. There's been cops in and out, and ugh, it's been a bit chaotic. Seriously, been a little bit chaotic. Word spread. Okay. 3 minutes to go. Guys, literally, it's been such a long day that I've needed a second cup of tea. I haven't had coffee for so long. Loki wants to cry about that. Last time I had coffee was on Sunday. Huh. Maybe not a bad thing. Maybe I could use a little less caffeine. Nah. Pops won't take a trade today. OTT, do you just see absolutely no direction or anything happening? To be fair, OTT, don't come at me with that. That is literally what you said yesterday. Just saying. Just saying.
That's what she said.
No, it's been crazy. It'll be there for when you need it to. Oh, Shaki, you're such a sweetie pie. Mad love. Again, I haven't said it actually in a while, so I think it's worth me going on a little bit of a rant again. I haven't done it in a while, so I think it's rant time. Are you guys ready? I really, really appreciate this community. Like I said, when I started, I didn't know that. Well, number one, how mean some traders can be. Gosh, darn it. I haven't been mean, have I? Like, unintentionally, have I been like judging people? I hope not, because the whole point of this community, like Shaki said here, if people let's not count me being mean to OTT. Okay, that doesn't count. But you know, people in the trading industry can just be rather nasty, especially to, well, just to everyone. Like if they don't agree with how someone trades or whatever. And that's not how it should be. It should be a pleasant experience with people trying to uplift each other. We want to see each other grow, not, you know, fail. Yesterday it was, today I don't know. Wait a sec, OTT, you hurt my brain cells trying to read that. Juicing! What's up? 1 minute left to go. Ooh, thanks, Dom. 13 seconds. Woo! I gotta get it ready. I gotta get it ready. Okay. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
I'm sorry. The spread there said -21. That is the craziest I have ever seen. The damn spread. It literally said -21. Oh, okie dokie. There's just all the buyers exiting their positions. Little tippy tap into VWAP and then cheers. Thanks for playing. Ooh, sorry. I just noticed this. Oh man, look at that. I mean, I wouldn't have taken it, but still, point is. No, now back. Calling shorts for a bit. Hey, Mikuave, what's up? How are we doing? I'm gonna just say I'm unsure about that. Oh, dude, good, Kevin, handy. Selling will continue for a while, so hold at 778. 30 buy contracts just came on the candle. No ways. That was insane. Okay. We haven't had an opening like that in a while.
That's what she said.
I'm sorry, I'll be less weird. Okay, flipping Bob to Bob to just get this party started. Give me a second. I heard some hooting. Sorry guys, I wasn't joking. It's been up and down the whole day. Let me just double check. I won't be able to do this in a minute, so let me just check who's hooting. Brilliant was for my neighbor. Yeah. Let's see. Bob to Bob. Just boom, straight off the bat. I think today's a bad day for trading. Well, let's see. What's my VWAP settings, if you don't mind you asking? It's not for us, Bean. It's okay. Hey, Steam Seeker Clips, what's up? My VWAP, here we go. Of course I don't mind you asking. Hope that helps. Sorry. Nothing special. Thoughts was mad nice. Had a 15-minute unicorn, but didn't expect such a dump today. So scary. Okay. Now, oh wait! Here's a first presented. What? I wasn't expecting a first presented so soon. The first presented fair value gap. Rejecting. Might drop a little bit more, then go back up. This is yesterday's midnight, hey? Yeah. Oh, sorry, that was yesterday's midnight magnet. GP at 688. Damn, okay. And how's you going along when that fair value gap gets inverted? Hey, Green Globes, what's up? How we doing? Hope you're doing amazing.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
still rejecting, but it keeps retesting. It's basically just low-key stuck between the bob level and the first presented right now. Sorry. I'm just giggling. Going long right now is not advisable. Jackson! Hey, Kalalani, what's up? How you doing? Well. Welcome back. Let's still see, Kalalani. It's not over yet. We've just begun the day. But it does look like you are a little bit more correct now. It's like, stop. What's that? Atlanta, I don't even know what that is. I think waiting for a break of the fair value gap for those who have gone short can still hold their position. What's the purpose of Discord community? I don't know, people want to chat, basically. That's about it. If people need help, like I have an accountability thing. No one's posted on that except for me, but still. You know, if people want to be held accountable, if they're struggling with something, if people have questions, if people, yeah, making friends in the community, you know, divided by country, but all together by trading. Actually try to create some better structure for tomorrow rather than just keep pumping. I'm waiting for the buyer to push back hard and get in on the short. Dodgy definitely this. Oh my gosh. Okay, if they hoot one more time, I'll go back out again and see. I did just go out and double check, but yeah, we're just gonna keep going with this. Because YouTube scares me. Then do it, OTT. Why not? Go for it. To be fair, so I literally, that is the thing. I would actually genuinely like to know what you guys, as the community, would like to see more of in the Discord. Like, is there anything in particular? Would you guys like to know, like, specials that are happening? Would you guys like to know, I don't know, would you like just funny videos also uploaded? I got plenty of those. Damn, I got a funny one this morning that made me giggle way too much. About the markets, obviously. I mean, maybe you want funny videos that aren't about the markets. Yeah, genuinely asking. I mean, it's, how do I put this? It's not my community. There's no me in community. No, there's no, I had to double check that. No, there's no me in community. You know, it's like our space. So what would you guys like? Smells. I hope I'm in clear direction. You know, a guy I knew in high school. I remember he was mad smart and used to tell me focus on school and stop gambling. Today he asked me to teach him. OTT, are you serious? Like, legit, that happened. Mini golf Tuesdays or mini golf Mondays. That sounds better. Mini golf Tuesdays, microwave onto something. That's not how you spell community. No, it's not. Oh my gosh. Lou, you had me... I just called you Lou, sorry. Louis, you had me like triple guessing everything. I was like, that's not how you spell community. Anyways, entry at the first presented, but there is a U. I lost 4 evals in the NQ930.
Emotional damage.
Shub, are you serious? I am so sorry. Like, did that actually happen? Breaking high. Womp womp. Yeah, that is how Shub's feeling right now. Oh my gosh. Currently using tablet when I go home. Trying to school, take a week or more. Different city now. That's okay, overdose indeed, but yeah. Securing 500 at least in case I just come back up. 688, here we come. Buy some more using code teach my womp womp. Make a oh, you're a sweetie pie. Yeah, there we go. You want discounts, literally. Trade a 5, you buy 5. You get an extra 5% off the 40%, so you can get 45% discount. Nearly a 50% discount, damn. Sorry. I just did math in my brain. Wait, shut up, I forgot, there's one last thing I have to do, because clearly some stop losses were hit, right? There's a stop loss sound to make you feel better. Oh, Debbie, I just saw your comment now. That's hilarious. Nope, got taken out. No! Just short a micro and hold to retire by the end of the year. And instead of 4, you can get 5. Mark the 4, okay, I'm go to 1 minute, 5 minute, look for. Hey, Gold and Silver, what's up? How you doing? How's Gold and Silver treating you recently? I'll give you math mode for a moment. I'll give you math mode for momentum. I don't understand. Took trade in just a second, boom. Do you normally trade the open though, Shub? Like the open feels very terrifying. To be fair, today was a little bit extra. Like I said, if I'm not mistaken, it said minus 21 spread. Minus 21? Are you freaking kidding me? Also, what the hated leader is this? And here's the 5-minute candle. I lie, here's the 5-minute candle. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Oh. I'm attempting to make it less chaotic. Dom, is this what you were thinking? Basically there. Basically a 1-to-1 hour trade. Let's see. I'm not gonna take this, but this would be a bob to bob. Not a bad confirmation. It's not the best confirmation, but it's not a bad confirmation. Let's see what this looks like. Have to see if it also rejects at the 50% of the 5-minute. There's the 930. It's a lot for it to reject off of. Interesting. Often said. And then trying to start using the session thing. That's my mistake. And that's for Evil. Teach me a nice lesson. No, 100%, 100%. I just laughed and said, sure. I'll put you on. Random fun fact, I just found out there's a chicken called Naked Neck. Hideous. Oh, okay. I thought... So, the chicken's species is called Naked Neck, right? And you're saying it's a hideous looking creature? Or is the whole name Naked Neck Hideous Looking Creature? Because that's rude. That is just diabolical. You can't do that to a poor chicken. But anyways. Waiting for confirmation. Yep. We have news coming at 4. I don't know if they're going to be powerful or not, but be away. Thank you, Obito. Maya, it is a bit early to go long. Jackson, don't worry, I'm not going long. This is guess you could say I'm still low-key forward testing the Bob's Bob. Let's see if it would have worked, how I would have placed it. It appears to be a hit, nope, but let's see. It wouldn't be starting at 3:55 though. No, wait, what do you mean? What? Mark out the orb for the 5-minute candle starting at 3:55 p.m. Okay, you lost me there. Why 3:55 p.m.? Really don't want to trade this. I'm not mistake. Louis for yesterday. Seen Seeker Clips, you've entered into a short. Nice. End of the session. Yes, but why? It's a scene seek, you're in a shorty short now. Oh! I would. Yeah, this is very much hands-off stuff happening right now. Don't got me an A+ or nothing at the moment. So we sits and we waits. The last hour in your position really matters for the next day is a key area. I have never heard of that. Okay. I'm gonna have to backtest that. Okay, let me make a note of that. That's interesting. Where's my notebook? Control C. Okay. Who's messaging me? Let me look now. You shouldn't have gone short. Overdose indeed. Who are you talking to? Okay. I'm gonna have to backtest that. Here we go. Long 5 micros. Mother fluffer. Same trade I was looking at. Wow, for 5 micros as well. Yeah, Bob took this trade. Let's see if it would have worked out. This is the trade I was looking at, like I said. To be fair, hear me out. Why does that look good? First presented. There we go. How many cons is this? A little bit risky with the stop loss, but a bit of a rejection of the 5-minute over there. It's A+. It's A+. It's A+. It's A+. I'm just reminding myself that it's A+. It is an A+ setup. Went above the first presented. I have my little auto block. I had my shelf as well. If it doesn't work, looks like it might take me out. Oh well. It was an A+ setup, so I can't be upset about that. ES looks like it still wants to go up. That was another one of my confirmations. It did just take out some internal liquidity on ES though. Okay, a little bit of a fight going on here. I want to see it reject off of VWAP. Oh, not rejecting as much as I wanted to see it. Oh, pity. Pity, pity, pity. Oh well. What's a Zam? What's up, Azam? Sorry, what's a Zam? What's up, Azam? How you doing? How's it going? How's it going? Are you doing great? I hope you're doing amazing. I seriously don't buy in the middle of the fight. Overdose indeed, like I said. I've been trying to be better at taking my A+ setup regardless. Right, regardless. Okay, fine. I was breaking through yesterday's 3.5 candle zone, otherwise I would have made 20 bones. Only fine, Azam? Why? Why are you only fine? What happened? Okay, good. I'll spread the words. Atlanta! Seriously? Seriously? I'm trading yesterday, so it's ahead of the curve. Oh! What's your study looking like? Dreaming? Can you tell us the future? What does it look like? So I'm gonna watch ES when it takes out those. I'm gonna move this up. Sorry, it created an SMT on ES. And this is where I normally would have gone break even anyways. A+. Awesome sauce. Sorry, not that one. A+, let's go, buddies. Sorry, that was very cocky of me. I'm so sorry. A. Can I get an A? Oh. A. Oh. Boop, 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 boop. Do, 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 do. You should TP. I know, but it's fine. I'm not going to be greedy, right? That's my new thing. To not be greedy. One trade at a time. Don't be greedy. Take what you get. Whoop whoop. Okay. Greedy is good. No, it's not, Louis. Stop it. Being a bad influence. Greedy is not good. Hey, okay. Let's see. Now, how's the balance looking? Okay. Still a little bit in the red today by $5. Damn. Let's see if we can get another A+ setup. Anyone else which is commendable? Hey Explorer, how you doing? Ah. Wait a second, how? I'm wrong in saying that. No, sorry, I am in the green. I'm sorry. I'm being blunt. Yesterday it was on 660, right? Yes, that's why my brain was like, oh no, it's not up. Oh, I lied. Okay, now we're getting there. 7. Yeah, I can at least start risking $100 again. Let's do this. I was watching you and say, yeah? Oh, thanks, Louis. Okay, should I do the whoop whoop? You exited one candle early. Nah, I left my TP where my TP was. Okay. See, if I was greedy, No, that's pushing it. I don't quite like where that entry is. I mean, it's good with regards to the new daily, and good for the fact that Midnight Magnet is above and VWAP. I think if it dives down on ES, it might dive down lower, or it's just gonna go back down, or back, yep, okay, never mind. It's gonna go all the way back up without coming back. Hey, do you know what that means? That means Bob got a whoop whoop. Which means that Bob to Bob level would have been a whoop whoop. Nice. Eric, is this Trading View? It is Trading View. What's up? One step. I guess it's it's an eval analysis funded, so I'm assuming 2-strap. Longer, no. I'll show you how the ingredients there, beloved. Oh my, someone stopped me another ES banger. You took the trade? OTG. I love it. I'm not trading this. I traded it. Hey, Bob. Whoop, 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 whoop. Bob is up $427. Damn. Look at you go. My, okay. I'm listening, OTG. I'm all ears. Oh, what's up? Hey, wins in the community today. I love it. I love it, guys. That's what we want to see. All of the wins in the community. Yes, it was just so clean I couldn't say. Ah, but I mean, OTG. It's what you always tell me. If your A+ setup is there, trade it. I nearly didn't take this trade, and I was like, no, but it's A+. It is A+. It's A+. It's A+. I'm taking it, and I took it. Pew pew. Okay. So overdose indeed. Now you think the down's gonna come again? Too long. Just and everything will be fine. Oh, thanks, Dom. So just, yeah, wins in the chat today. I love it. I love it. Well done, guys. This was just A+. Haven't gotten an A+ in like 2 weeks. No. Exactly. And when you get an A+, you do it. If I had listened to myself this morning, I would have had another win, but it's fine, right? Sometimes you have to have lessons. I lost $12. It's not the end of the world. Hey, go for threat. What's up? How you doing? Time to go splurge. Shall be requesting a pay. What? No way, it's payout time again already, OTT. Look at you go. Technically I lost, but secures 500, so kind of a win. I mean, you got more than me. Again, like I said, green is green. That's all that matters. Grab them payouts. Hello, South African. Hey! K-dude crazy. What's up? Yeah. Do we have another fellow Sappher? I love it. There's a few of us here. OTT's also South African. Wait, where are my South Africans at? Put a little wave or something. Where are my South Africans at? There's a few of us here. I love it. Oh, thanks, Bob. Don't know if you guys can read it. Can you read this? Can you read what Bob said? Well done, taking your A+. Never doubt your A+. Just take it. You're $20 away from blowing your account and wanted to give up. Now you have $200, $300 buffer. Great job. Hey, Vamsy, what's up? And T-King, huh? Oh, so Abito, right there. T-King. Oh, sorry. You weren't waving. I told you to put a wave. So there's all the sappers coming through. I love it. What's up, Natsun? Welcome back. Thoughts I'm in Cape Town at the moment, but originally from Joburg, studying programming at... Damn, I knew one of us as soon as I heard the accent. Got a lot of subbers at 7165. Is that like a Mexican gangster? Where my essays at? It was scary how I came back from that insane drawdown. We're getting there. One step at a time, right? One step at a time. It was, yeah, it was $20 away, right? It was $20 away. Try that again. I'm not having a stroke, I promise. Let's just try English again. I was 20, was it 20 or 15? It doesn't matter. I was very close to hitting my max limit. Now we're getting there. So yeah, OTT, it's nearly at the point where I think I can start risking a little bit more. I don't know if you agree. I really just wanted to get back to 49 before risking like $100. I don't know if I should still be sticking with that though. Hi from England. What's up, Crazy Pitbull? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I want to tell you something. In my language, Maya means magic. That's beautiful. The things I've seen on YouTube live. This is a breath of fresh air. I'm low-key curious now. You have to... No, wait. I might get banned if you tell me the crazy things you've seen. I am a little bit curious about what's the worst thing, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'll just push my curiosity down for now. I can help you catch the people who stole your time. Louis, how? What? I'm scared. Now it's good looking for potential sell. Green globe. Okay, you think the sellers are back in play? So I do low-key have a rule that once I take a trade, take a little bit of a breather. Don't let the emotions and the start getting on a high, because that is when I start to do dumb things. So I do kind of take a minute to just squish my emotions back down. That sounds terrible, but I don't know if there's a better way to explain it. But yeah, essentially just squish the emotions back down. I got swears. To be fair, the cops are on it. I must say, I was really impressed with them. They've been like 3 different people that have come and stopped by. Just hit the London time cluster. Nasdaq is beautiful today. You caught a 70-point move. Hey! Vexy, go hard. Nice. Sorting. Let's choose something.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
That's what I thought when I read that. Okay, dude, crazy. Just like, what? If US breaks 7180, go up. Guys, I have a question about alpha futures. Has anyone used alpha futures as a prop firm? I have questions. So they're now allowed in South Africa. I don't know if you guys knew that. Alpha is now allowed in South Africa. Like I said, I have some questions. What do you guys think of them? I do have a discount code for them, but they don't have any discounts currently. Oh. If US breaks 7180, we will go up more. Even that we have been going up a lot. Okay, so basically if it breaks that high and breaks above, we are good to go. So I'm not going to take this. Like I said, I have my reasons for not taking this. Ooh, I have a few reasons for not taking this, but I'm curious about this. I know a lot of people are now saying that the shorts are probably back in play. Based off of this and that, I don't think the longs are finished just yet. That's just my personal opinion. I don't think the longs are quite out of the running. Again, just my personal opinion. Could be wrong. I'm only using Lucid, so great for beginners. Ah, but you see, South Africans can't use Lucid. So, I heard they are meh. Ah. But in future, I'll move to take profit trader. Yes, that's just my plan, but let's see what happens. Sandy Andy, I actually completely forgot about that. When was that? At 10. So that could have potentially ended up being a reversal. Apparently not. Still has a little bit higher its push. I'm watching ES as well. ES I think also has a little bit higher its push. Once it pushes that little bit higher, it could be where it comes back down, but let's see. Alpha Futures prop firm. Madsen, I don't know if you know much about them. I think the one thing that they really have going for them is I'm gonna have to get all the facts right, but I think you can get a lot of accounts with them. Like a lot. Gotta close below 808 for shorts to come back. You think 808 is the key level? Oh, I guess below midnight. Let's see. The other day my lecturer just beelined out of the classroom, never returned. He told us afterwards. I think I've seen some adverts online mentioning their name. Okay, but you haven't like heard too much about them or anything, right? Like I said, I still think Tradeify, I know I'm going on about it, sorry guys, I'll stop. But yeah, Tradeify just has such a flipping awesome special that's going on at the moment. I don't know if you saw, I did post it in the Discord as well. If you get 5 accounts, you get an additional 5% off, so you get 45% off actually. So you nearly get half off, which is pretty cool. Insane, low-key best decision to use 2 entry functions. My story cut off because I pressed send. Yeah, you're gonna have to because you can't hook us in like that and then be like... Aside for those adverts. Interesting. OTT, what about you? What are your thoughts on them? You're pretty good with your knowledge on all them preppy props. Yes, I said preppy props, like a grown-up. Oh, nope. Didn't come and retest. That was a really good entry. Sorry, I sound like I'm tooting my own horn a little bit, but it was solid. Hey, Rudex, I'm busy lady, what did I miss? I did, I had a little win here, so that's cool. That's cool, we're getting there. One good trade at a time, guys. I think that is just my new life motto. One good trade at a time. Do 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 do. No, it was just Alpha OTT. I was just talking about Alpha, and then I mentioned Tradeify and the special they have going on. I know a few friends who use Alpha Capital, the CFD side. Oh, interesting. There we go. Well, yeah, if anyone wants to try it out, I do have a discount code for them. I don't know if there's any great discounts currently happening though, so me. Return the next hand to market. Okay, dude, crazy. That's rough. That's rough. Okay. That's intense. Poor dude. What? Oh, rough life. This might be going back up to the next Bob level. Let's see. I don't hate this trade, but it's not as great as this one here, purely for the fact of it has not retested, so this could still retest further back down before continuation back up. Where's the whole... Yeah, it needs to retest back down here to VWAP. With how it's running away right now, yeah. It is due for a little bit of a retest. I mean, this is not a bad trade at all. I do have 3 confluences. But, you know, if I've learned from my mistake this morning, the 50% retest is important. Of the full range. If it hasn't retested, Louis, who rate I'm trading a funded account. A funded account, what's up? Oh, thanks, Florida native, I love it. Thanks for joining the website. Scroll down. It's not even seen. Still out of good grief. Chatbot ain't letting me send. Oh, that's okay. Isn't it prop match? Is it proper match? Is that the one you're thinking of? Let's see here. What did I say about this? Bulls and fading sound. Well, everyone yesterday was on the souls and even so they assumed that would be a heavy drop. In 50 minutes I called the sweep, made 7 grand and done for today. Nice. Well, I was really way off. I'm biased today, don't worry. All-time highs are tricky, Green Globe. I think the bulls have more power. Is that the aftermarkets will drive futures when they go up? Futures will go up. Now it's called props go up. Wherever that Nasdaq, that's true. Congratulations, that is amazing. Whoop whoop. It's like they give a credit score to prop reps. Oh, that's interesting. Hey, well then, do you know what you deserve? You then definitely deserve a whoop whoop. That's awesome if you don't. Exactly. Louis, me and you both. Dreaming. Triple my short sell position today. The magical princess. What did I just... Huh? What did I just read? What did I just read? Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Not out from South Africa. Check you out tomorrow. Ain't happy, yeah. My day's coming way up. Ruin. My chicks will vanish and miss millions. Oh, whatever. You're full of rubbish, but mad love. Rudex, you're hilarious. Why are you using him dreaming and it's swing trade? Overdose indeed, what you talking about? One little trick while trading futures, keep in mind there's a 10-15 minute delay. So tech can always catch them. That's interesting. What? Really? I've never... Okay, cool, thanks. Me and Bexy are like, I've never heard of that before. Is that really a thing? Hello, sweet angel. What's up? There's a Perry Bean. Broken future's always lagging. Dreaming? Explain? Because I'm confuddled. What do you mean? Oh, this thing is just still climbing. Damn. Oh, excuse me. It was broken. I don't know, I have a accent on media future's broken, not lag behind you. Hello! Do you want to say hi to everybody? Or are you gonna be shy? You wanna say hi? Hi! Oh, okay. Yep. We have a Perry who's here to say hi. We've been blessed. We've been blessed with his presence. Hello. Okay. Anyways, it's at a little bit of a deciding point. Let's see what it decides to do. See, the 50% of this range now ended up working out. Well, I'm speaking a little bit too soon. Let me not talk rubbish. Could have been TP up here. It's not a bad place. Well, definitely would have been break even. It would have been a freaking bottom tick. Okay, not bad. Well, it always shows D on trading. Let me know it. Yet Lucid Trade 5 seems to always be behind, which is. But the D stands for delay. I'm very confused. What are you dreaming? What? What is happening? Like, I also have one that's delayed because I can't DAX. Are you talking about that D? Yeah, I can't trade that because it's delayed. Oh, that would have been a whoop whoop. Shucksy doodle. Oh well. Just don't want to make the same mistake twice in one day. That would have been bad. That would have been embarrassing. You can't use 50. There we go. Now why would I do that? Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, dreaming. Then okay, that then makes more sense, right? That all then just makes more sense. What's up, Rolf? How you doing? Yeah, that confused all of us solidly for a bit there, dreaming. You really got us there. We were all very confused. Seriously, very, very confused there. Oops, wasn't officially out yet. Huh, interesting. ES looking good for level to level. Ooh. ES levels looking good. Oof. That would have been actually a flipping banger of a trade. What a pity. Okay, well, let's see. Could retest and go back up, right? Maybe we should be delayed if we don't. No, I don't think we by the end of the minute dollars worth paying for it if you're on Trading View. Maybe everyone needs to delete the subscription. I'm very confused. Anyways. Yeah, fast shot list, delay service against. Rolf, don't fight the flow of the river. Oh, words to live by. Preach, my friend. Okay, that was a bit of a bigger drop now. We took those out. Okay. That is still in place, so not really worrying, just salty. Don't worry, I get salty often. Because I live down by the beach, but still. Come on, that was funny. That was funny. Damn. Okay, here we go. That was a big dump right there. Retesting back into the 5 minute. Let's see now what we get here. Is anyone else in on a trade? Bob, did you take that ES trade? Yeah, it's retesting the top of the 15-minute orb. I mean, to be fair, Shaki, it's the top of the 15-minute, top of the 5-minute, top of the 9:30 range, you know, like it's the top of everything right there. Let's see if it's just a retest and continuation though. This is quite a hectic dump over there. Can't patch this unless they delete the subscription aspect for everyone. Sold at 857. Oh, nice, Louis. Okay. How long did it take me to pass my trading eval? A while. Why? Why do you want to? What's up? Hey, young Ferb. I did take a trade. I took a little winner chicken dinner over here. I had a little loss during London as well. Yeah. Yeah, props don't like it when you do that, hey? Let's see. Okay. Okay. Wee! Okie dokie, damn. So, 50% retracement of the whole range was here, but this is not looking great. Let's see what it does. I mean, I could be wrong. This starts pushing back up, then damn. Hey, Essie, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, Demonte, where have you been, bud? Revived, I think it's my second time catching a stream. Aww. Welcome back then. How are you doing? How's the trading going? I got a smart dog. What happened? Just yapping. I'm not there. Want to trade the trend. Let's leave as 1,000. Not thinking about going short again. Dinners were $1.80, which meant if you won, you could eat well. I did not know that, Louis. That's interesting. I think it's going down more. Essie? I think if it breaks below midnight open here at 811, then I think the shorty shorts could definitely be in play. Yeah. But let's see. Like I said, it just tapped into the 50% range. This actually could keep pushing back up. For me, theoretically, this is an A+ setup. I just don't know if it's worth me taking anything. ES level indicator available for free. There we go. If anyone wants the ES levels as well, Bob's gotcha. So I'm going to swing trade this time. I want to test my new strategy. That's what's up at all-time highs again. What? Luca Boy's here. How's it going? He's here. Yeah, if you forward, I spent all week on email. Blown a lot, but I passed more and kept him. I know, dreaming. That's how a lot of people do it, which is valid, 100%. I agree with that. So the reason it took me a while to pass was because I mean, I'm still new. I've been trading for a year now, and I didn't want to do something dumb, and I wanted to practice discipline and the correct execution and patience. So yeah. Volatility gonna go crazy? When, Sandy Annie? What's about to happen? Oh, got it. That took me a minute. Understood. Okay, it's like saying, try to little too. Oh, wait, wow, rough. Private indicator, call error in. Okay. And what's the success rate? If you don't mind me asking. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. What's up, Kooky Daddy? Is this gold? Nah, this is the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Take a month again to make 3K. No, that's fair. Except Demonte this time, obviously, I'm doing things. Well, I say things, but I mean, I don't know if you saw how close I was to drawdown. It's going good. It's going good. Can't complain. Cannot complain. We're going, we're going. Okay. Let's do this thing. Shows 83% of back to I know. Let's get that damn proof. Shit. Why does it low-key look like the volume's died down now? Oh, it's nearly 10. What? Where did the time go? I was looking, I was like, oh, it's nearly 10. What? When? Why? How? How is it nearly 10:30? How is it nearly 10:30? How, Sway? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Where did the time go? No, you don't know what to do, of course, but once you get that setup memorized, you see why structured traders don't spend much time on it. No, 100% Dreamy. No, I understand that. No, 100%. I do, and I completely agree with that. As a newbie, I think your first eval, you must take time, learn the patience. You know, it's about learning. But then I agree, the more and the quicker and quicker and quicker and the less you care about them, and I think when you're still new and it's like your eval, you're like, oh, but I don't want to blow it, and then once you've blown a few, you're like, eh, whatever. I understand that. I'm not there yet personally, but I also completely understand that. The elites are messing with the time. Ooh. I'm saying ooh because this actually low-key does still look good for a little long to happen. Let's see. I wanted to... Okay. While it's deciding... Sorry, I got distracted. While it's deciding... Do you know what I think we must quickly do? That I nearly forgot to do this morning, which is disgusting. It's time for butterfly of the day. That is what it's time for. Butterfly of the day. Butterfly, butterfly. Butterfly up is... Ah, there we go. Butterfly of the day. Are we ready? Whoop, whoop, whoop. That's pretty cool. Let's do this one just because the name is adorable. Are you ready for the name? A white pie butterfly. That is adorable. Look at it. Well, this is the one I got in the book, but yeah, this is the white pie butterfly. Wow. If I could do makeup like that, I would look beautiful. Anyways. This is super cute. Okay, so white pie butterfly. Say that fast like 5 times. Anyways, the wingspan of 21 to 25 millimeters. Oh, there's also one called a black pie. It's the one below. Anyway, sorry. So that you get a white pie and a black pie. Who knew? Little butterfly. Sorry. So distribution is savanna in ENC. South Africa. I don't understand what ENC is. Anyways, so savanna in South Africa from KwaZulu-Natal, Midlands, Thorn areas to Gauteng, Mpumalanga, and Limpopo, and Northwest provinces. Cool. So habitat is hilltops, flatlands, and hillsides. I need to slow down. Flight period is year-round, most common October to March, and its Latin name is Tuxinitus, Calisi. I don't think I said that right. But anyways, here's the white pied butterfly. Like I said, its makeup is beautiful. One day when I'm big, maybe I can do makeup like that. But that's our butterfly of the day. Ta-da! Oh, nothing has happened. Cool. Missed absolutely nothing. Pipstar, what's up? How you doing? Welcome. Best thing to do is get evil, then let's pay on from that evil. Buy like 4 more accounts, pass and get like 4 pounds with those. Then go live. There we go. Secret of traders start sharing their private indicators. Wall Street will find out how to liquidate them. Nobody wants to lose their edge or lose money. Yes, that kind of makes sense. Oh, that rhymes exactly. Did I hear you whisper that's what she said? No, I didn't. I don't think I did. Okay, fine, it's starting. Pipstar, I'm so glad. I'm so glad you're good. Okay. I have to wait and see what this does. Who is this now? Oh, there we go. Shame sweet. Holy still never mind, bro. They just yap. Oh, sorry, Sandy Andy. So nothing cool is happening is what I'm getting from that. Nothing amazing currently. That's fine. Okay, so 10:35 has now happened. What do we think about this, guys? Do we think this is
Nice.
Or do we think this is now... I forgot to click it. Do we think it's dead, or do we think this has still got some movement left in it? I passed Apex Eval last week. Ah! Young Ferb! You know what that deserves then? That deserves a right old whoop whoop. Well done. Seriously, that is amazing. Proud of you. The caterpillars of the Wi-Fi extend their hair to eliminate their shadow, making them invisible. And they are homies with the ants. Of course they are. I feel like which caterpillar is not homies with the ants? At this point, I'm convinced that caterpillars and ants are just out there throwing parties all the time. Right? Is that literally what's just happening? Ah, young fur, proud of you, man. That's awesome. Oh no, do we think this is just gonna chop now? While all the yip yaps are happening? I was just saying how quickly time went. Pity. Oh well. Curious about this. Oh well. Next time. I was thinking of doing that, but again, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. How to trade zone for real. No, exactly, chill dude. How are you doing, chill dude? By the way. Hello. How you doing? How's it going? Sorry, I sometimes forget to look at you guys. I get a little bit distracted by the chat. The chat? I have no words anymore for just the English that is lost on me today. It is Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. What on earth, man? I like to wait for half an hour and watch it drop. Only a minority of butterfly species have food, and some even become food for the ants. There we go, Louis. Like you said, well, like Demonte said. Demonte, how has it been going? Like I said, you kind of went poof for a little bit. So how's the trading been? How's life been treating you? Same goes for everybody. I feel like it's been a very long week, but in the same breath. No, it's just been a long week. Anyways, how's everyone doing? I was gonna be like, in the same breath, it hasn't been that long, but that's fine. Ooh, now this is chip choppy right here. I do think that it might go back down, Green Globe. I don't know why I don't have a valid. Well, it is below VWAP on ES. But it is rejecting off. Oh, this is a toughie. I'm genuinely curious to see which way this heads. Or is this just it until PM session? Is this just what we're stuck with until the PM session? Oh, now they're fighting. Yeah. What are they fighting about, Sandy Andy? Sandy Andy is like our news announcer. I'm just gonna secure 100 bones. This is taking too long. Louis, were you in a short? As you said that. Another rejection off of there. Yeah, it's low-key lost its oomph. That's what I'm hoping for, but it's still so chopped, so time will tell. Is gold dipping hard right now? Ooh, okay. Then come on, let's get with the party, NQ. I don't quite know what the party is, but apparently it's happening. Oh, right. Did it take you out? You still in this thing? Oh my goodness, this thing is... Okay. Okay. Still rejecting off that 50%. This is interesting. Like I said, for me, I will know it's gonna start dropping when it closes below VWAP and the midnight magnet. Then I'm like, okay, no, shorts are now officially in play, people. But until then, the buyers could still come and surprise us. That's just what I think. That's just what I suspect. I could be very wrong though. I'll go trade with them. Yep, just took me out with slippage, so only 80 bucks. No! Boo. I feel like that counts. That counts for this. No? That's right, gotta close below 808 or heart breaks. Guys, it has to just start moving, or else I'm gonna get like sad. It's taking so freaking long. I mean, I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. I'll still give it about like 30 minutes. Let's see. If in 30 minutes it still is doing this, I might call it. What does this look like on the 5-minute? $15? Nope. Okay. See what happens, right? Now I'm calling from puppet to Sandy, Andy, what? So there's literally just like solid fights happening right now. We formed all-time highs today, but the rejection is kind of big. Price is not getting accepted, but it might accept after a while though. So, chill dude, are you just hands off right now? Is that what you're just doing? Oh no, get sitting here. Send to my favorite essay and butterfly to go take a look at. Louis, no way, is that your favorite essay one? You know what's so funny? I'll send you this. I'll send you this photo, Louis. You will appreciate this. Sorry, that song is now stuck in my head. Oh my gosh. The citrus swallowtail. Anyways. I feel like it's gonna reject it all time high. It's Sandy Andy, yep. I'll go for it. I can help you. Yeah, with. My chart is telling me to short for NQ, but I don't know. I'm leaving that alone and waiting for something clean. Yeah, young Ferb, I agree. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, let me not get too excited. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, well, we've closed below. Ooh. Okay, down we go. Well, we closed below VWAP, so that's a start. Yeah, I think down we go. Marco completely explains what's happening in the hearing. Really? Like nothing, and now there's a little bit of drama, so things are dropping. The more the market does the ranges, the bigger the move will be. That's true. Do I have trouble? You just have to be on the right side of the move, right? Mm-hmm. Pretty sweet if that's your hand's bigger than I thought. Your hand is tiny. It's like, yeah, it's like that big. But that doesn't help, does it? You don't know how big that, whatever. That's true, so cool. Thank you, finally joined gold on the downtrend. Here we go. Let's see if this hit the 50%. Ooh, this did. Retested it a few times. Oh no, this would have taken me out break even if I had taken this trade. Here we go, yeah. Down, down, down we go. I did say if it broke there, we're gonna start getting a drop. Close below 808, I'm in. Sorry. 5 minutes? Not a bad trade on the 5 minute, actually. Check. To VWAP. Got order block. Got a fair value gap. Got the cluster. How big is this trade? I don't know if it's a little bit risky to be doing this while the drama and the news is happening, though. It might be a little bit risky. And then I am low-key going against this. Ooh, this is a bit of a tricky one. Hey, DJ, what's up? How you doing? That is awesome. Hunter guy, what's up? Hello.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Goals fell off the top. Check TNP actually. Here, caught the very top for that drop. Don't do it, Maya. It's too late. Ah. Really think so? Really not a bad setup though. So we also don't want to risk. We're in the green for the day. Yeah, I heard trade if ooh, Hunter guy. Lucky. Yeah, the Tradify 3.0. It's very, very cool, and it's a once-off payment. Sorry, guys, this is not on me. Hunter guy brought it up. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Yelled Hunter guy. Yeah, but Tradify 3.0. 40% discounts until the 30th of April. On top of that, if you get 5, you get an extra 5% discount. So you'll end up getting a 45% discount on 5 accounts, which is pretty freaking cool, if I do say so myself. They've now introduced 25k accounts. They never used to have 25k accounts. So that's also really nice if you don't want to go for the, yeah, you know, obviously. you know, but yeah, so this is Tradify 3.0. Like I said, you can use my discount code if you want. You can get that awesome discount until the 30th of April. So time is literally running out, guys. Time is running out. Got 9 days. Okay, that's me done. Sorry, that's my spiel done. But I looked at crude oil. I have not, young Ferb. I have not. I don't even think I have crude oil on my list, to be fair. Where's this? Nah, that's the Euro USD. That's gold. That's the Dow Jones, MNQ, NQ, and ES. No. Haven't even looked at them. Very cool. I was almost done with my Apex farm, but I got knocked back on. No! No, Hunter Guy, what happened? Wee! Okie dokie, here we go. Sorry, that was very random, like, wee! Anyways, hang on. My mum's bowling. Why? DJ, what happened? Just found out that I cannot use Tradify on the platform I trade. Oh, really? Joy of Travel? What platform do you trade? Wait, what platform do you trade that you can't use it? That's interesting. Wow. Okay then. Guess it's like Bulanox. You can't use TradingView with Bulanox. Balling equals good. I think so. I think so. I mean, they could be bawling their eyes out, which means that they are like crying their eyes out, but that's obviously bad. So why is it good? No, but I was well behind on stream. Just caught it up now. She's up so much this year. Nice. The account was a 30-day account. I was trading really well and reserved, but the time constraints messed with my head and I started placing bigger trades. Oh no, Hunter Guy. I'm really sorry. It's really tough. And that pressure, it's the pressure, right? That pressure really starts to get to you. Do you know what's actually funny? The second I took pressure off, when was it? It wasn't last week Friday, the Friday before. I literally said, I was like, you know what, at this point, screw it. I know that's terrible to say, but I was like, you know what, screw it. If it goes, it goes. And ever since I've kind of low-key had that opinion of, me. It's been going better. Obviously still some losers here. Some losses, some lessons here and there. Had a nice little winner here. Like I said, I had a lesson over here back during London. And that's fine. Oh yeah, okay. I see it created an SMT on ES. And it tapped into the new daily. So this could be headed back up further. Let's see if this would have been a banger. I'll be a little bit more conservative because obviously I don't want to give back the profit. I'm literally going 1 day at a time. 1 day at a time. It's all good, I'll bounce back. Yeah, exactly. It's all just probability. Monte, you didn't answer how you been, bud. It's been a while. How's it going? Okay, it didn't retrace that 50%, but it looks like it could still be going back down now. It's on B model. So all trades I took were just buy and sell from the box, so it's a small RR. Oh, wait, chill, dude. But then you're still in the green, right? That's the market is so wishy-washy too, so it doesn't help at all. Yeah, is that whole meeting thing still happening? That's also low-key what's creating some of this fun stuff. That was a very big SMT that formed there. Sellers are definitely back. on ES. Not so much on NQ yet though. I do think when it starts to drop, it's going to drop solidly. I mean, I've just been grinding, trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. Damn, Hunter Guy, that's cool though. Good to challenge yourself sometimes, right? Absorptions. I've seen better days, but I've been on my fitness journey. Ooh, fasting and building my body. I've been sleeping a lot. Ooh, why fasting though? Out of curiosity. Is there a reason for the fasting? And then ever since I was like the song, it's stuck in my head. I'm so sorry. Greek Globes, do you know what's the most frustrating thing? When you have a song that you do not like and it's stuck in your head. I think that is the most frustrating thing in the whole entire world. Pity about that. Okay. Yeah, a few more minutes to go, guys. Luvitz, yep. How you doing, Luvitz? Long time no see. Everyone's just kind of like reappeared today. I love it. Looks like another level to level. I do agree, Bob. It really, really does. I just wanted to see it retest a little bit further, which it did not. Now, well. Pity, I thought it would retest back into the Bob level before continuation back down. But it's just going. Yep, it's just going. Here we go. Whee! Oh my good grief. Okay, okay, okay. 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 Who's in on the short, by the way? 687, here we come. I'm sorry, 687. Good grief. Okay. 90 minutes in the market now. What's up, South African? How you doing? Welcome back. You good? How was the rest of the London session? Did you take any extra trades? Hey, Nancy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. For anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Nasdaq on all-time high. I go for 1 week. Nice. Whee! Bob to bob. Cool. I would have preferred to see it retest a little bit further into the bob level. Well, just to retest the bob level, but it's fine. It is what it is. We're just gonna continue. I didn't remember this. Oh, right. It closed below 808. We going down? Yep, no, I definitely remember. Okay, let's see if it takes out this low now. Here we go. Whoa, calm down. What's happening? Is Sandy Andy still here? Sandy Andy! My practice equation sports is no way, George. What did you do? Jumping, or did you just ride? Sorry, that sounds bad, but you know what I mean. You're gonna get your channel to the Sydney Roosters next season. Would be what is that? What? I don't even know what that is. What's that? Is it bad that I don't know what that is? PJ? Sorry, I feel like it's bad that I have no clue what you're talking about right now. Yeah, okay. What is it? My bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll be better. Oh my goodness. So much chaos. Jumping. Ooh, nice. Samesies. Sorry. So jumping was definitely my thing. No, I'm not an Aussie. PJ, okay, that then kind of low-key makes more sense. I'm a South African. What's up? How's it going? Now it just needs to clear the orb for yesterday's 355 candle. This is now a bit of a runaway train. Atlanta. I'm assuming you are, PJ. Are you an Aussie? Those shorts were not bad. Nope. No, shorts were not bad. Sorry. Hiccups. Oh, well. Pity about that, but we're climbing. One day at a time. Awesome. Isn't it like the middle of the night for you, Peter? Oh! I should put you on a timeout for that one.
Emotional damage.
Rude? Why? That is so rude. Jealousy makes you nasty. Anyways, how can I grow a $10 account? Slowly. And with a lot of risk management. That's it. Sure, I mean, I'm very agonizingly slowly growing this back up. When we're back to 49. Oh, maybe even before. Maybe I need to start risking $50 here. Is that too much? If I start risking... Maybe during New York, I can start risking $50. Hey, Zeus, what's up? 687 hat down for the day. Hey, Louis! Whoop, whoop! Anyone that got in on these bangers, well done, guys. Green in the chats today, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it when everyone is having a green day. That's what we like to see. Damn, this is going. Okay. I can't even get in on this. If you want to open an account and deposit. To grow $10, you need to go break even fast. Overdose indeed. Nicely done. Yeehaw. I love the yeehaw. It's just like you were welcome, I think. Sorry, I don't know how helpful that was, but yeah. So hear me out, right? For full 50% retracement, that's that. I don't know. I feel like when it gets to there, it's... Okay, let's see what happens. Better to buy a funded account. Oh, it looks like it's heading for previous day low. Previous day low could be a good draw. Louis might come back up from here to the 0.5 line. I know, that's what I'm looking at, but... I mean, that was quite a huge drop. I'll just look on the 5 minute. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Just, well, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I don't know if it's going to exactly... Yeah, there we go. It might come back up to the midpoint here. I don't know if it's gonna keep going that much further though. Let's see. Hey, Mooby lover. What's up? Oh, what are we trading? We're trading the Nasdaq futures. To grow $10, I'd get $40 first, then proper count and go from there. Oh, Atlanta, sorry, someone was asking about how to grow $10. Hey, Louis, don't be greedy. Right? Not me. Don't be greedy. If I had traded that one, I mean, lucky, but don't be greedy. Just keep going. I don't know if it's gonna go all the way back up to this point. Maybe back up here, tap back in, and then we get a drop back down. I can believe that. I can believe it would want to tap back. What's this? 740-ish level, and then continuation back to the sell side. That's a possibility. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll be BRB. Let's see if this gives us... This is amazing price action, don't get me wrong. Unless you've missed the move. Like I have. Oh, wait. Retest back into there. Like I said, I've unfortunately missed this move. So, kind of sucks for me, and you don't want to catch a falling knife. Or use paper trading when trading on live charts, then buy a fund account to earn money if you go fund directly. Use money in fund account. Yeah. I will be greedy. It's a funny characteristic of my trading style. I mean, I can't argue with you on that one. What's up, John? How you doing? Definitely can't argue with you on that one. Now buy 100 shares of opportunity, write down, hold them until you profit. I'm confident in that. Interesting, Atlanta. Okay. This was a big spike. What's happening? Is the newsy, talky, stuffy still happening? Silver tank today, am I right? Were you in on sells? Or not? Asking for a friend. Okay, give me 2 seconds, be right back. Okay, we tapped into the 50%. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Let's see what it does now. I was actually thinking earlier, I was like, is this low-key doing a little bit of a seek and destroy? Maybe. Ooh. Because I tap that sell side liquidity solidly. So retracement isn't unheard of. Sorry. Got a heart attack looking at George. Not have to trade running. That's a win from you got in until this level. Sorry, Vito. So is it not Loki doing seek and destroy? Took a bunch, went and took a bunch. Now going back down. Let's see what it does here at the new daily opening range. That is one stupidly good buy. Yeah, green globes. If anyone took that, well done. Did anyone take that buy? Who took a buy there? Stop loss at 860, gonna go book. Wait a minute, wait, what? Just because I said don't be greedy. That is that, okay, okay. If it doesn't work, it's not my fault. Just, I'm putting it out there. So it's not financial advice. Just saying. Let's see how this reacts. I mean, it's not the worst for a sell here, actually. It's really not the worst for a sell over there, but let's see. That being said, I can't hop in on this. I'm still gonna give it a few more minutes. Da, 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 da. Wait. Sure. If it doesn't work, it's 100% your fault. Imagine if I was that. Wow, Louis, I would cry. I would feel so terrible. I think that's the problem. I don't think I would ever be able to be like a signal trader because if people are copying me and they lose, I mean, don't copy, but I feel like I would be responsible, but I know I wouldn't be, but I would feel like I was, but I know I wouldn't be. But do you see the confusion? Hey, Umcar, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? This is not bad. I wonder if it's now... I wonder what the plan is for the rest of this day. Wait, I wanted to... I'm good. It looks like you're really good at finding dip levels. Let's see. Atlanta compared to like a couple weeks ago from what I can see. Oh, thanks, Atlanta. Every day you're learning, right? I think that's it. Everyday learning. Good. Yeah, everyone happy to be part of your community. The bad times, good times, and annoying times. Yeah, green globes, 100%. Speaking of, guys, we are community. Sorry. If you guys want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. I did ask this earlier, and no one came up with anything. So, whatever. I asked what you guys would like. Debbie, I know you want a channel to post indicators, right? Anyone else want anything from the Discord? Let me know. Genuinely asking because it's community. It has to be fun for you guys. I want to see a contest in there. Don't you think ICT and SMC is too subjective? Ooh, interesting. I know in Hacker, why do you say that? Or what makes you say that? You want to see a contest in there. What, like two people buy like a 25k account and the first one to pass wins type of situation? I mean, that low-key could be fun. Oh wait, I'm not in the Discord. I've got... What do you mean you're not in the Discord? I want to buy steaks and Yep. Oh damn. Okay, let's not oh damn just yet. Oh. Yeah, no, that range was a bit too large for my liking. I'm thinking to help the community, especially newer traders or ones who are getting into trading. Hold up, gotta rejoin. The community, especially newer traders and one strategies. Interesting. Okay. Okay, let me get on that. Beep. Hi. Look, there's a sweetie pie. I have a sweetie pie berry bean. Hello, baby. Oh goodness. Okay, bye. Okay, let's see where this now heads. Let's see if it's gonna break up or if it's gonna go down. Well, this is quite large movements happening now. Is the chit chat still happening? Is the debates and the talking and the people pointing fingers and people being mean to each other still a thing right now? Who's watching the news? Was it done? Buys the same sort of whoever passes first wins another evo. That's interesting. I don't know how many people will be keen on that. Let me do a poll. I'll make a poll on Discord. How about that? Let me quickly do that then, actually. Yeah, let's make it 24 hours. Done. Oh dear, that's going up. Whoopsies. At least gonna be 2 people. Oh wait, my dog be right back. Cheers, Louie. I'm out because members have a lot of addictions. Have a wonderful day. Oh, bye guys. Atlanta, mad love, you're awesome. This is keen on just join the contest. $10 bond from you. Let me tell you. I've been approached by somebody before. I'm ready. That is hilarious, Debbie. Who approached you? That is very cool. Oh, guys, I think I might be done for the day. Sorry, but SG, not seen the Robin's Cup performances. Hey, Salem! Kid, what's up? Take it as you're not an ICT fan. Just a thought. Sorry, I thought I heard something. You cannot be done. There's a sell coming. Do you think this would have worked out? Let's see. Let's see. It'll fuck me, but I'm not kidding. It was retirement money for anyone who ain't got it. Damn, Debbie. You know what? I would love retirement money. At my ripe old age. Nah, I think I'll be way too bored, guys. If I actually had to genuinely retire now, I think I would go crazy. I really, really think I would go mental. I might enjoy it for like a week. I think I would cope for a week, maybe two. After that, I would be a problem. Yeah, okay. I think I might be out, guys. Wait a second. Nah. Definitely not that. Hey, Elf! Aw! I was about to head off. How's it been going, Elf? Oh, damn. Let's see if this would have worked. I'll stay on for a few more minutes. How's it been, Elf? How's the trading going? You're 17, get the retirement talk out of here. I am not 17. Right? I wish I was 17 again. I feel like... Sure. I wouldn't have aches in my bones. There it is. Elf, yeah, you're trading. King Trader. Oh, it definitely has gone up. Trust, it's gone up. I know it doesn't look like it because it's stuck on 48, but it's definitely gone up. It's down to 761. Just saying. I was $20 away from blowing this account, which means I was on $340 something dollars. So I've gone up $400. I am 27, guys. My trading is done for this. What do you mean your trading's done for the year? Why? What? What do you mean? Like you're just done? Why are you just done? I'm so confused. Elf, I need some explanations. Cool. Yeah, I'm 27. Why? Do I not look 27? Damn, look at this. Look at this now. Slowly working out. Eh. Interesting. Very, very interesting. It does now mean that the shorts are back in play. How do you balance trading with real life? Like you single, like me. Maybe. Rude, but maybe. I've achieved my goals for this year. So that's it, you're done? You don't like get the itch to maybe trade again, or I don't know. Is the market bullish? Nah, it's bearish. It's the bears have finally come to play. Oh, nice. Like I said, I want to see where this goes, if it's going to maybe turn back around soon. So this is just curiosity getting the best of me. So here's the 50% if it was going to go back up to the bull side. But I do think that the bears are winning this race today. The bears are back. Damn, Elf, what the heck, man? That was amazing. Can we get a whoop whoop for Elf over here? Holy moly. That's for Elf, because that's impressive. Where am I from? I'm South African. What's up, guys? What's up, what's up, what's up? SMT is about to be formed. Oh, the sellers are very much there on ES right now. And someone told me don't be greedy. I don't know what you're talking about. What prop firm do I trade? Hey Wells, I'm currently funded with Top 1 futures. But if you are looking for a prop firm, I mean, obviously it depends on where you are and what you're looking for and what type of trader you are. You know, I can't say what is the best. But there is an awesome deal going on with Tradeify currently. Yeah, I'm South African. Oh no, this might be doing some funny things. No, okay. Okay, so it did tap back in, so this might retest. Okay, okay. Let's see. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I'm in a bearish order block and another retest of the sell side liquidity. Ooh, nice. Now the question is it gonna go all the way back down to that 660 zone? Yeah, around 660, 650-ish. Let's see. And then I go to say, okay, secured another 200, same TP as before. Nice. Okay, okay. I will then call it because this is low-key probably gonna make me sad. I'll call it there for today then. Let's see, I'll come back tomorrow and let's see if this would have been a whoop whoop or not. Louis, you can also let me know if this is a whoop whoop or not. Let me further discussion on Discord with regards to this competition. A lot of people, well, some people seem keen, right? Maybe it's a thing. Maybe we do it. Yeah, what do you guys think? I think it could be fun. I love you guys madly. I love you guys madly. Let me call it there for today. It's been a long day. It's been a very long day. But I look forward to tomorrow. Let's see what tomorrow brings. This now looks like the bears might be back. So we're gonna have some fun. I love you guys madly. Thank you for always joining. Thank you for being the best community ever. I'll chat to you guys. I'll TP type to you guys now. You guys are thebomb.com. See you tomorrow. Trade safe. You can use my discount code, especially with that Tradeify. Don't forget, 30th of April.